Good morning, and today is August 17, 2023, and it's Thursday. So we have the day after the FOMC meeting minutes released yesterday, which is Wednesday, and it reacted negatively. It went down. So let's see how the market gonna play out today. And today we can apply a strategy called a second day play, which is we want to see if it's gonna be continue the downtrend or it's gonna be reverse, and then retracement and then turn into reversal. But so far in the pre-market, it shows us that is on the 5 minute. You can see right here after it hit the low, right? You see, then it right here is equal low, and then it start retracement right there. But at this bearish auto block, you see that there. Let's see if it break through there or it just fell right there. So that one we want to watch. One thing I want to show real quick on the daily or D1 time frame, you see that it take the sell-side liquidity from this guy. So it looked like a bearish to us. After the sell-side liquidity, we will have opportunity to, and this is what we anticipated yesterday. It did take the sell-side liquidity right there. And let's see how today gonna be a reversal day on Thursday, according to the weekly profile, right? So what we got right here, we got the market still have sell-side liquidity imbalance. That means a lot of people go in and buy yesterday when it go low. So that's the sell-side liquidity imbalance right there. And buy-side liquidity only balance less than the sell-side. And we can see that the London high was taken. That means it may go high, right? Or maybe it going down, but however, it did take the buy-side liquidity, sell-side liquidity on one time frame, on the daily time frame. That means it really want to go up right there. And we can have a question right here: whether Wednesday lows on yesterday is the week low, or today Thursday gonna be a reversal. So that's the thing that we try to looking for today right there. All right, we have 2 minutes for it to start. So if we treat this as a breaker or resistance, then it go down. You see it break the London high right there. That means it willing to go up, right? You see auto block, favorable gap, free test go up, or you can see right here bullish breaker, look up, go up. So let's see. So look at this range. We want it to break out this range so we can know what the next move is gonna go. Yep, let's see. Okay, the big huge move up right here, that means this level breaker or resistance, support will hold. Let's see, the pre-market volume is high, we can see that. 1.5 million right there. Alright, let's see how it's moved right here. It's open right there, right? It did test self-liquidity. But I want to see it break out this trend one way or another. One is look for that range. If break out, retest, then we're gonna go long. However, if go here, just drop liquidity and go down, then we go short. Look at this. This is the buy sell liquidity trap right there, and boom, it checked it. Right, and also you see also this buy sell liquidity trap right there. Let's see how deep it go back here. Just be patient, you know. The market will always provide us a plenty abundant opportunities, so there's no need for it to rush right here. So it did take the sell side liquidity of this one. That's it. Of this one. Can we going along right here? Because the sell side liquidity was just rated. What do we see from here? So it's right both right here, sell side liquidity from here. Right, you see right here. So this trend is broken out. First buy side, then sell side. So we believe next for it, you're gonna check the buy side liquidity right here, because already checked the sell side liquidity from here. Now it's already checked the buy side liquidity from here. Let's see if we can go long from here. This not take out this, so it will not break this one. It will not. It didn't take out this buy side, so it will not take out the sell side of it. It may retest the order block right here. You see this order block huge order block right here. It's maybe the retest this order block. Yeah, this order block right here. It retests it. Wow. Order block, further gap, retest. I think let's go in. Go in and buy it. So it's still above this order block. Buy it. Yeah. So we buy it. Then we move our stop loss right here. Just below here. 40.01. We got 4401. Alright, we got stop out. Right there. We go in and we got stop out right there. I think we put our stop loss too tight, I guess. Not too tight. Why is 76 right here? I go in 401. Ah, something going on right here. I didn't saw that. Why is only 25 cents loss, but if right here we saw it's only 76? I think we hit the wrong one. Wow. Ooh. We can see the short right here. Auto block. Further gap. Retest. So this is a short setup we also see also. So we have to wait until we take this buy side liquidity. That's the good idea right there. We go all the way here. We go a little bit too early right here. So we're going too early right here. We should have that it take the, because you have auto block right there, have to take the best. Best is going right here, right? We go in right here and right here. Anyway, let's take our screenshot right here. So the reason why we go long right here, because we see this, a setup is called auto block, fair value gap, retest, and long, and we go in at I think 09:35, and I think we have what? We have a sell side liquidity. Rate, and then buy side liquidity drop right there. You see low right there. Yeah, it's dropped right there. So in order to right here, anyway, let's just take screenshot for now. Yeah, I think I learned the lesson. We learned the lesson now. Okay, in order to, we know that why this one is less than this one, so it's not gonna break. Please break. Then we may have to start from here. Yes, it's just the liquidity graph. It will not break. You see, it's just liquidity graph right there. And it's going to the London. Yeah, I mean, if you look at 5 minutes, it makes sense now. Okay, right here, that's the level we need to pay attention. Right there is a bullish breaker right here, so you better wait for it to go in. And retest twice already, you see. Oh, we didn't see that. That's the reason why we're going a little bit early. But anyway, we only take one twice a week. That's the reason why we're working on our, emotion, fear missing out. If we miss, then wait for next week. We're working on our patience also, and keep our rule right there, just one trade. Even though we know that we can go in right here and we're good to go for long, but we go short. You see right there, that's perfect for you to go in long right here. I will go long right here. It's just a retest, right? You see that? You see the auto block right here, fabric up, and that's the retest right there. We can go long. And 43, so it's auto block. This is practice trade for us. We are done with the real trade. Yeah, 0943. What do you have? A perfect sell liquidity rated, and then you have, yeah, you see it's a lower low right here. very clear. Oh, and it's buy sell really drop. Target is buy sell really X4. Yep. Let's see how working out. Ooh, we got stop out again. So yeah. Okay, I think we see the logic now. Okay, the logic is that, okay, this one is the buy sell liquidity trap, or you can call, in this case it turned into a failure swing high, right? However, it go here, it break this one. It's not supposed to break this one, because in order to break this level, it have to take the sell side buy side up here, but it did not. It failed a swing low rate, swing high right there. It go in to take that level, this level. So that tell you that the market structure already shift to the down move. So this one is at every test move. So you can go here and short right here. See that? And it fit perfectly into this order block right here. See this order block? Huge order block. Same way right here, you see this order block? Yeah. We didn't see that coming. So the minute we see that it break down here, we know that going and short them when they retest the order block. Because this block is a failure swing low. See that? Yep. So right here, this entry. It's a order block, value up, retest. Here is short setup. What do we have? You know, you do have the buy side we were taken, right? But it's a short term. But in the term, you can call that it not the you have a so-called I think you can call failure or fail swing high setup right here. It not swing high, but going it break this sell side liquidity. Well, in this case it's not rated, but it so you call breakdown. Yeah, yes, well, that's the term failure as well. So we break it down. Yeah, then we enter at retest. Beautiful. We try to figure out logic right here. And the target may be look at the 1 hour time frame. Those are really on the target. We see maybe the London or London or the X4. It may rebound from here. So let's see. So when we enter right here, we are in good shape right now. We either want to take early profits or we let it run. Because right here, it retests this breaker and it's going down. On the 5 minutes, let's see if it go below this breaker. Wow, it looks like it's gonna break this bullish breaker of the support level. It's gonna come down. So maybe it come down to this level or London low. Let's see. So we lost 25 cents today. Okay. Wow, it's a beautiful trade. We go in here, right there. Let me turn up this one for now. Wow, it's a perfect setup. So we learn a very critical lesson right here. It's called failure swing high, and then short-sell liquidity breakdown. That's mean the market structure shift right there. But this one have to be high on this one, which is it wrap the rate, the buy side of it, and then rate the sell side of it, and then it go up. But in this case, It did not rate this level, but it break the sell side liquidity. So it's a market structure shift. The algo is reset to go down right there. So the two scenario, right? Yep, that's a good case study for today. Very valuable right there. So it provide a good lesson for us. So we didn't succeed today, but we gain a huge lesson for today about a swing low and failure swing high right here. It's a failure swing high. Okay, if it go up here, then it's reason for it, okay, it's gonna take it, but it did not. That's why we say, okay, maybe it go here, retest a lot, and we go over here. That's the perfect. But however, there are second scenario that it will break down. It should break down because you see this order block up here and a retest right there. Wow, if you look at 5-minute time frame, you see the reason. Or 50-minute time frame, perfect. I show you right here. There are special candle that we need to pay attention. And we want to see why. Let's turn off the trade right now. You see, this is a special candle. You know why? Because this one take the low. It one take sweep the sell side liquidity. And it go back and retest this one. You see that? Man. So what the open of this one? 39.80. And look at this. Exactly 80. Can you believe that? That's the level that we need to pay attention. Whenever I make the low, look at that candle. If you want to go long and wait for it to retest it. Man, beautiful. Great lesson today. Yes. And this is a swing low. That means a yep, retest. Or you can look at this also right here. This is the bullish breaker, basically bullish breaker. right here and the huge gap right here. Look at that. Pay attention to this candle. We don't know yet, just call this I don't want to, it cannot be an order block, right? This is a, to put right here is called key level and watch for the retest. Exactly happened. Okay, I see it now. On the 1 hour time frame. Oh no, not 1 hour. So look on the 4 hour time frame, we can see yeah, I see that now, and it makes sense. Right here, this is your order block right there. You can see this level order block, and it goes to retest that. You can go to 1 hour, you can see it more. 1 hour, it will turn into a bullish breaker. Right here, yeah, you can see this is order block, and it come back, it retest that. Remember, this candle also is very special because it checks the sell sellability. And you can treat this a bullish breaker and retest this one. What the high of this one? 02. Yeah, this is a swing high right here, and this is a bullish breaker. And the open of this 80. The close, yeah, the close of this candle is 81. You see that, and it go back at 80, just 1 cent below the close of the candle. So this is a bullish breaker right there. So now we can identify that level is a bullish breaker on X1 1 hour time frame for our target. Why go down here, right? That's what we try to understand. So retest level. Yeah, so why it read right here and it bow back, and we find out reason is because of the on 1 hour time frame it have a bullish breaker right there. That's the reason why I go back and retest right there. So our target gonna be right here. When we go in right here, then this is our target. And what is the move right here to here? $1.40. And how much we reach if we go in order block? We reach 19 cents, right? And we get $1.40. So the risk reward ratio for right here for the trade that we are taking, the short right there. So let's say let's roll it up to 20 cents and $1.40. So 1 to 7. I want 1 to 7 risk reward ratio right there. Yep. Fell through. Ace, swing high, failure. Yes, so liquidity. Yeah, this candle very important. Can you please let me go retest exactly this candle, this special candle right here, because the algo is reset right here. It put a mark right here, and now it go back to that mark in order to reset them, and boom, it will go up again. See that? Yep. And what the setup we see here, we see auto block, boom, favorable gap right here, and you can go right here. Wow, if you want to go long, then the perfect go long right here. After it retests, and it detect a lot of short cycle right here. Wow, it's a perfect setup right here. And the target I think gonna be the buy side liquidity right here. You see it's fell so now, that means it dropped all the buy side liquidity right there. Wow, I wish that we wait until that moment to go long right here. That's the perfect to go long right here. So you have auto block, favorable up, retest, long setup. What you have a yes, sell liquidity rate, indicated rate, and you have a buy side liquidity drop. Yeah, the perfect entry time versus around this time. I think we go in at this the first trade we take by set liquidity or prior swing high right there. I think at least this level. Alright, let's see. We are in about 51 trading minutes. We have another 10 more minutes to go. No, we have about 20 minutes. Well, it looks like it may go down again. You see all the buy-side liquidity were rated. You see. So it may go down again. It may break down this level. If not, then it could be a failure, a swing low failure, or fail swing low. So if we go here, our stop loss here, we're still in the trade. If we go right here, with the practice trade and our stop loss, we're still in the trade. It's just a retest again. A little bit discomfort first if we are in the trade right here. However, you see it did rate the sell side liquidity right there. So I believe that it's gonna come up, rate buy side liquidity and rate sell side liquidity, and then boom, go up. So we go in at this candle 36. And I think we got stop out at this one, 38. Yeah, we check in right here, right? $36, and we got our 38, but I don't know why it lost only, look at here, it's strange. I should lost 76 cents, 70 cents something, but it only 25 cents. I think I pressed the button wrong when I do supposed to be buy limit, it become buy stop something. So is this one maybe here's very interesting and smart money technique diversion. You see for the QQQ, it check out this low, make a lower low, while the SPY did not do that, it make a high low. Yep. So look like a very bullish on the SPY right there. Or SPY need to go down and make a new low. Take out this low. That's two scenario. So far, if we short, we long go long here, we're still in the trade. And now we have the buy side liquidity right here trap, and you have also have sales target trap right here. Let's see, interesting how it moved from here. So basically right here is a range. You can go see that it's gonna go up from here, because if you see that it take the buy side already, but it failed to going down. And you have a balance price range right here. Flag up down, flag up, a balance price range right there. So right here we see the buy side keyword trap right there, and you have order block right here, and it's the retest this block. Or we have an order block right here. What happened? Order block right here. Just okay. So I think this order block is full cost already. You see that? Swing high and then the swing low, take priority, take the sell side equity. So this order block, bearish order block right here. Let's see. You see this order block, fellow gap, retest 1, retest 2. Let's see. also you have this bullish order block right here also, and you also follow it up right here. So it's in a tight range right now. So basically, if we go in right here on the previous practice side, we're still in the trade. If we take out our stop loss right here, if we take out that, so this will be another entry for us right here. If you want to go right here, your stop loss right here. You just reach about 24 cents. That's a good reach right there. Perfect right here. 26. Oh yeah, it's around the time. You see this auto block? It's auto block. This auto block still hold. Let's say you entry right here. Great. This auto block. Fill it up. Retest. Right, a long setup. And you do have the buy side. Yeah, so great, and you have the price side really drop. And the liquidity, sell side liquidity taken right here, right there, sell side liquidity rate, and you see the buy side liquidity trap right there, and our target gonna be up here. $10, $25. Something gonna happen very quick, very fast right here. It's gonna go down really quick, or it's gonna explosion into the upside. Look at this candle. 1029, about 20. I believe it's gonna explode up very quick, very fast, because you see a lot of buy seller hit will drop there. Also, you have a sell seller will drop right here. Wow, that's what happened right there. Explode in the upside. Yep. So if start go down from here, it's gonna go down hard. Alright, look at the DR model because we reached 10:30 now. So the DR model right here. Let me turn off the tray. So this is our DR implied. It's close below there, then it's the confirmation that it's gonna be going down, and this is gonna be the high of the day. However, at rejection right here, then we have a reason to believe it's going to be the low of the day and it's going to go up. Wow, 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 wow. Let's see, it's closed down. It checked the buy side from this guy. Let's go back to the 1 minute time frame right here. So this one is supposed to go down and break, but it's no. It tried to be drop the sell side of liquidity. right? And boom, it's going down. Okay, if we look at the 1 hour time frame, we see that we should not go long around here. You know why? Because it's a bearish breaker around here and the big displacement and follow up, and this is just a retest. See that? Yep. Oh, right. Okay, that's it for today, and talk to you later. Bye for now.